What's going on? It's your boy, man. We back with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? Today's video, bro, we breaking down what I used and what I did to pass my two funding accounts in less than 6 trading days. Like, simple strategy. It's simple strategy, not complex. Once you understand what the confluences are, then the strategy becomes simple. If you don't know what the confluences are, then it's a little fancy on you, man. Shit, you got me a triple shot of espresso. Shit, nasty as fuck, but hey, man, do a job. Oh, shit. Do I want y'all to see that shit? Do I really give a fuck? No, I don't give a fuck. Alright, so. So let's say, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we come on NASDAQ, right? Let me get for real. Alright, so let's say it's Tuesday. Alright, market open here. Alright, so we got the Asian session and London session, highs and lows from the previous session. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and mark our Asian session and London session highs and lows. Alright, so after we mark our Asian session highs and lows, alright, then we'll go ES and do the same thing, boom, boom, but you know, we might as well, because I don't remember which one I took the trade on just yet. So, yeah, I'm gonna jump the gun. Right here. Alright, so let's do it. So we go back to NASDAQ. So we marked out the Asian session, London session highs and lows. Doing the market open right there. So we good. So boom. So market opens at 9:30 after we had a consolidation on Asian session, but manipulation of Asian session lows, but no reversal, right? No reversal at all. You feel me? The reversal came when we manipulated these lows. I think ES probably ran them. So yeah, ES ran these lows while NASDAQ didn't run these lows, which made a S&T diversion. Right there, see, boom, you're gonna lead, boom, and boom, right? So technically, like, all right, so now we have a lagging index, and ES is a lagging index because, like I said, I don't know if I said it yet, but as I was finna say, boom, NASDAQ never swept these lows, but London session never had the reversal after manipulating these Asian session lows. So that leads me to already assume that New York finna, you feel me, we finna, gotta have that reversal, but before we had that reversal, we have to have a lower time frame, or you can call this a higher time frame manipulation move. You feel me? Even though it ain't kind of come to the end, but you know, I'm just kind of showing you how you can see these things live. Like, this is back testing. So yeah, I'm gonna see that boom over time. After we made S&T boom, 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 we can go up. But you know, as we scale down into where we would normally really catch our trade at, right? All right. Boom. We know that market is gonna manipulate for us to go even higher. You feel me? Because we have not had a reversal yet. So At 9:45, we come up and sweep all these low, right, all these low resistant liquidities right here, right? Oh yes, I said we swept it. Oh my gosh. Let go of me. You know what I'm saying? Oh yes. Alright. All this low resistant liquidity we never saw, which created a low time frame S&T, so that's 635, right? At 635, as you can see, NASDAQ swept that at 10 o'clock. So at 10 o'clock, NASDAQ swept that, which ES didn't. So that shows that NASDAQ is the lagging index. Um, so right here, right? So now we just waiting on entry. Now that we see we might be forming a SMT diversion. You feel me? So after the SMT diversion, which ES is the non-lagging index, we'll come in and wait for a breakthrough structure. So boom, we didn't get a breakthrough structure right here. Boom, we get a breakthrough structure right here. I wouldn't call that a breakthrough structure. Boom. So boom, we get a breakthrough structure right here. All right, of these lows. Boom, breakthrough structure at 1040. At 1040. Like I said, with Asian session consolidating the day before and London session coming down and just shooting down without the reversal, you can kind of expect the late move, where the move that you want to take. So NASDAQ, yeah, it broke out at 9, same time. So, like I said, it's just patience game. You try to jump the gun because of the time we're in, you'll find yourself getting talked about that trade, to be honest with you. So 1040 came, so you can scale down now once you get a break of structure. You feel me? Yeah. Scale down now, you get a break of structure. 1040 come. Hit a closure, boom, tap back in, broke out. I know we closed below the 79% mark. Closed below the 79% mark, broke out. Other confirmation is that SMT, boom, breaker structure. That's all you need. SMT, breaker structure, boom, close. I can't think right now. All right, there we go. Close below the 79% mark, boom, enter. Oh shit, what the fuck? Enter, boom. Target these lows down here. Could target these lows, these first lows. You can target these lows for 1-on-1, take profit. You can target the bottom of this fair value gap because it tends to always come to the end. That's why I consolidated right here. So you could have targeted the bottom of this fair value gap for another take profit. and then you could dip, take profit, and so on, so on. Until boom. So that's just one. I'm gonna do one more for you guys. What time? What time? We're looking at 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I'm gonna keep this video short so y'all can kind of get the point of how I trade, what I'm looking for. Boom, boom, boom. So we gonna go to the hour right quick. Reset. Alright, we just did Tuesday. We'll do. Okay. Wasn't good. I think this will be good. Yeah, I think I remember this day right here. Yeah, I think I remember this day right here. So let me. Alright, so I'm finna see which day I want to. It kind of gives the best examples. What am I thinking? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. That day looked bad. What was going on that day? Maybe I'm tripping. Yeah, I think yesterday. I think it was news that day, though. Hell no. Not a good day to try to explain right there. But you took a trade there, man. I might have took a trade on that, but it definitely wasn't no idea. Like it was a definite part of the scalp trade. Let me lock in. Let me lock in. I'm over here looking at the trade too, like trying to place it. So and this is the 25th of August. 25th of August. Alright, so boom, Asian session, manipulation. London session came in, manipulated slow. Continuation. So then, yeah, Asian session manipulation, London session came in. It continued to move, so manipulated as well. And then New York came in and more consolidation, you can say, because it really ain't go nowhere. So I would say manipulation. consolidation, New York manipulation, then reversal. So let me see how. Yeah, consolidation, manipulation, consolidation. And we get a manipulation and reversal. So boom, we swept this low on NASDAQ, but now we did it on ES. And we scale down. ES was looking terrible around this time. On NASDAQ, it's printing a lot better. Yeah, so boom, we swept. Broke structure at 955. All right, so let's see what confirmations we had on the 5 minute before we jump down. That's what I wanted. That's why I want to jump to that. 9:30, 9:45. Mm-hmm. All right, so it just I don't see nothing. I can spot with my eye that just kind of say, so 9:55, boom. And a lot of these trades, when I took my live recap, so definitely there for y'all to get notes on live, my thoughts in the moments, what I think in the moments, why I take the trades I take in the moments. Well, I guess since I am paid for it, I've been on a fund account. They ain't trying to let me go all the way back. So we're gonna restart that, and I'm explaining a new one. Ooh, big boss. So let's play Friday. Nah, let's play Thursday. Thursday, good. Thursday. Yeah, Thursday was I think was one of the days. It was one of the good days. Good days. Good days. Good days. Good days. Boom. Boom. Equal lows right here. Kaboom. Thursday was so beautiful, bro. Was so beautiful, bro. I spent an extra 10 minutes explaining this one. This one, I don't know why I ain't start off with this. Shit was beautiful, beautiful too, straight. But this one I overslept, so but I came back Friday and won, so get off my dick. All right, so boom. All right, you have agent session, manipulation. You have London session. Boom. You got a, London agent session bearish. Then London session come in. We manipulate agent session highs and start a reversal. All right. So for that continuation, we'll have to sweep these lows out. All right. We'll have to sweep these lows out for it to be a London session manipulation reversal, New York continuation. But we was going through a reversal all the way up into New York pre-market, which it made equal lows right here. So I knew that we had to take these lows out. They're equal lows, and then we go on Nasdaq relatively equal lows. So that's kind of the obvious move to want to trade towards, then trying to catch this big move, which you could have caught. I'm gonna show you how you could have got this, because after you swept these and swept these lows, all right? You feel me? ES didn't. So you had S&T formed right there from the 10 o'clock candle, right, to the 10 o'clock candle, right? All right. So, boom, at the 10 o'clock candle close, trying to get, you could have gotten traded at later, you feel me? But like I said, that is a long-term trade play. We're going in a minute, so you have to be mindful when you're trading on minute and taking profit from 5-minute liquidities, hour liquidities. You got to be mindful. Move probably gonna move very fast. So don't take your mind in the higher time frames, but still we gotta dumb it down back to 5 minutes. Then gotta go to 1 minute so we can, you know what I'm saying? So boom, forget that though. Let's get back into the trade that you could get allocate. So when we come up and we sweep these high time frame liquidities, Asian session high, London session high, and we know, like I said, we know we're gonna come sweep these relatively equal lows and dead equal lows. You feel me? So once we sweep it at 9, I probably would have traded on ES because we have dead equal lows. At 9, at 10 o'clock, boom, 9:45, boom. Never broke structure down to the downside. We just sweat, we consolidate, and once we finally break structure, we come up at 10, 10, 10. So look, I'm explain it better. We broke structure to the downside on this candle right here at 10 o'clock. Boom. Never swept these lows yet. We then come back up after we swept these lows. We have to retrace back up. We had a 5-minute retracement. You feel me? If we would have got in right here, probably would have got stopped out. Feel me? So you gotta wait for the 5-minute retracement. So we got the 5-minute retracement at 10:10. which honestly is a couple ways you could have played this trade if you're a little more aggressive. I can show you where you definitely would have been getting in that, but with the consolidation, it just would have been more smart to wait for this. But honestly, it's like your risk reward is not that good. Like yeah, you got a 1-to-1, but that's only 14. Oh, the bigger play, like I said, it definitely where market you can see where market wants to go. Like it definitely came and swept the liquidities every time I'm showing you a sweeping. It's all about placements of trades. You feel me? So like on Nasdaq would have been a better option because all right, boom, you got this, you got this low that never been taken out. You feel me? Never been taken. So boom, once we react back to the upside, feel how many fair value you got. Let me see what 5 minutes is going. We sweep the Asian session, London session, highs and lows. We come down, boom, 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 boom. Every break structure until 10 o'clock. Then we already sweep those. Boom. The break structure at 10, 20. Yeah, you can get. You'll have to be really on the 1 minute to catch the trade for that. But you at 10. But if you're looking for the longer play trade, you feel me? Like actually trying to let your trade play out over time. Look at you know. 10, 20. Boom, we swept these. Equal lows. Now we know we have to react because that's our really was our target point right there. 20, 25. Boom. Come in. We never invalidate this fair value gap after breaking 5 minute structure right here. This is 5 minute structure. Breaking 5 minute structure. Simple. We swept the liquidity, broke 5 minute structure. All right, filled this fair value gap without close on any. We tapped into this fair value gap. Yeah. Boom. Never broke structure. Never broke structure. Maintained structure. Broke out of this fair value gap, right? And this is 1029, where you could have got your more ideal trade. That would kind of I would have liked better. But then you got these highs to target right here, which gives you more of a risk reward. Boom. You left it right there. Honestly, but could you still be in this trade? But you could have rolled this trade. You could really roll this trade all the way out to the sun. Sun don't shine no more. Yeah. Oh, look at what. Look at you the one day. Hey, I'm gonna hold my trade too. 1,000. I had to piss like a motherfucker, so I'm finna call this in. Long, good little video, kind of lengthy, so like I said, I gotta piss like a motherfucker. So it's your boy Travel Mo. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everything y'all do. Y'all support, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you. I hope I get more content to you guys. Make sure y'all continue messing with my videos. I hope I help you on these videos, and yeah, I'm out.